Hi friends, I'm Chef Mangal. You know that what I'm going to make is a French soup, shrimp bisque. But today the recipe which I'm going to share with you is not only the meal, it's a medicine. If you love who are suffering from diabetic, this is the best medicine. It's my experience not as a chef. I'm from last 23 years I'm diabetic, but due to my hard work I could not maintain my diet. I could not do the proper exercise, so I was not able to control my diabetic. But from last October I retired. I am fully retired and I start taking my health. My wife taking care of my food. Yeah, absolutely, my little recipe helps her. I go at least 1 hour for swimming and half hour for gym. But above all, my meal, starting from breakfast till dinner, I maintain. And if this recipe which I am going to tell you today, if you cook at least once in a week, and I am very much sure this one recipe, this one dish will help you to control your blood level. It's my guarantee. So what I want that's from you, all my subscribers, all who watching this video, share this video with your friends so other people also can take a benefit of this recipe. See you next video, something different. My friends, my 43 years experience, I want to share now around the world. So see you next Saturday with another dish. Thank you. So let's start the cooking. Now I have a fish fillet dried with the paper towel, so remove the moisture. Now we have to season with salt, crushed black pepper powder, and olive oil. We have to marinate this salmon fillet from both the sides. So again, same way, marinate, season with salt, black pepper powder, and olive oil. This seasoning you can spread with the brush, so each fillet you get the seasoning. Keep it for 10 minutes. Now in a steel pan, add oil and butter. It's cooked on a medium heat, so when butter melt, we need a light brown butter. So when you get this light brown butter, sear your fish fillet. This salmon takes 10 minutes to cook completely. So one side you cook for a 3 minutes, see the color, oh beautiful. This is the color we want. So both the fillet, we cook from both the sides. 3 minutes one side, 3 minutes in another side. We are making crispy garlic lemon salmon. So now fish is cooked, take it out. In the same pan, we add garlic and cook till we get light brown. Again, cook the seared fish in the butter. Fish is so crispy. Add your lemon juice. Complete recipe in the description. Add fresh lemon zest. In 3 to 4 minutes your fish is going to be ready. While cooking, you put your sauce on top of the fish. Beautiful. It looks so nice. Crispy. See how is it? Now fish is ready. Now we have to plate this fish. So just put your fish fillet on white plate. Put our lemon sauce on top. Garnish with fresh parsley and lemon wedge. I hope you will love it. Friends, thank you for watching this video. Please share this recipe. Subscribe my channel. I'm going to make another next week new video. I'm Chef Mangal. Thank you.